The there's only two Mexican supermarkets here in Reno. Well, in Reno Sparks area that I'm aware of. We're gonna go to the one that I think is the best for meat, but the other one has more variation, like shrimp, and it's better quality. But for the meat, the one we're going now, that's the one. That's the one to get the best meat that we can find here. Join us. Definitely Agujitas is beef ribs, but they're cut super thin, and what happens is that they leave the fat, so you cook that in the grill, and the fat and melts, and because it's so thin it gets like crispy. Amazing. It's my wife's favorite. Also Ranchera, I am not quite sure what it is. I think Ranchera is skirt steak, but I'm not 100% sure. But again, the flavor is unique. We have to do a pit stop. Unfortunately, I have an addiction, and it needs to be fulfilled before we can do anything else. Bam, there you go. Bam. Venti latte.
Venti latte?
Yes.
Perfect. Anything else for you?
Yes. Can you add 2 raw sugars in it?
2 raw sugars?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's it?
Perfect. All right, it's going to be $4.82 at the window.
Thank you.
Hey,
How are you?
that is going to come to $4.82. I'm great. How are you? Oh, if I could just tap on the screen. It went dark a little bit there. How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Awesome. This is going to be the venti latte with 2 raw sugar.
Thank you.
Of course. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Oh, fuck. Extremely friendly. That was weird. As usual, I came for 2 things, and I end up with a bunch of other stuff. But you'll see why. It's worth it. Damn.
Why is this